Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unactivate your Payoneer Virtual Card. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Payoneer application or go to Payoneer website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the left side of your screen you can see Payoneer Cards option. Click on it. Then it will view you all your Payoneer Virtual Cards. Click on any cards that you want to unactivate. There, in the bottom right corner, you can see 3-dot button. Click on it. Then you will see a freeze card option. Click to freeze card. Then your virtual card will be unactivated. This is how you can inactivate your Payoneer Virtual Card. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.